Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, I hope you all are doing well at home. I am here, your English teacher, Ms. Sadaf Javed, with new unit, that is unit number 7, The Tiny Baby. This is part 1 of this unit, so we are going to start with the reading of the book. Okay, take out your books on page number 30. You will see the following picture on the book, that there is a cot and the baby is lying in the cot, and there are some toys around the baby. Okay, the tiny baby. Tiny means very small. Mummy and daddy were very happy. The baby's parents, mummy and daddy, were very happy. Mummy was going to have a baby. Okay, mummy and daddy were happy because they were going to have a baby. They got nappies. Nappies are pampers for the newborn baby. They got lots of clothes. This is the nappy, and these are the different type of clothes. They got a nice big pink cot. What is cot? Cot is the bed for the baby. It is a type of bed for the baby. They got lots of baby bottles. These are the bottles. And the big day came. Mummy and daddy did not expect Sophie to be born so early. Expect means they were not ready. They were not thinking about that Sophie will come so early. They bought all the things for Sophie. Sophie was a girl, but they didn't know that Sophie will come so early. So they bought all the things for Sophie. Sophie was really small. She was smaller than a bag of sugar. Okay, Sophie was very tiny. She was very small, even though she was smaller than a bag of sugar. She was not even as long as a pencil. Oh, the baby was so tiny. She was not even as long as a pencil. वो एक pencil के बराबर भी नहीं थी. She was able to fit in daddy's hand. वो अपने डैडी के हैंड में पूरी आ गई. The clothes were too big for Sophie. Mummy and daddy bought the clothes for Sophie, but they were very big on Sophie because the Sophie was very tiny baby. Then the nappies were too big. The bottles were too big, and the cot was much too big. Okay, all the things were too big for the Sophie because Sophie was very tiny, very small. Sophie was so small, she could fit in the shoebox. Okay, Sophie was so small that she could fit in the shoebox in which we keep our shoe. She was so tiny. The doctors helped mummy and daddy. Daddy got tiny clothes, tiny nappies, tiny bottles, and a tiny coat. Okay, how did they help Sophie? The doctors helped Sophie's parents, and the daddy bought new tiny clothes, tiny nappies, and tiny bottles, and a tiny coat for Sophie so that she can grow easily. Mummy got special food. Little by little, Sophie began to grow. Okay, mummy and daddy were too eager and they were too helpful, and they tried to help Sophie in any way, and the doctors also helped them in the growth of Sophie. Mummy gave special food to Sophie for the growth. She is now at school. She is much bigger than a bag of sugar. She is very happy. Thank you, mummy and daddy. Okay, now Sophie has grown and she is much bigger than a bag of sugar, and she is very happy. Now she is at school and she is thanking her mummy and daddy for making her grow like this. Okay, now you have to do what you have to do, students. You have to write this lesson outline in your English A copy. Words meaning, word sentences, 3 words meaning, 3 word sentences, and you have to write down these words meaning and sentences in English A copy. Rest of the exercises will be done on book. Activities, language and grammar exercises will be done on page number 31, 32 and 33. Okay, what are the words meaning? First word, expect, hope. Grow, get bigger. Tiny, very small. Okay, then you have to make the word sentences. These are the 3 words and you have to make the sentences of your own. Cot, the baby is sleeping in his cot. Clothes, my mother bought new clothes for me. Shoebox, I keep my shoes in shoebox. Okay, these are the sentences. You have to write these sentences in English A copy. Your homework is to read unit 7, The Tiny Baby, do words, meaning and sentences in your English notebook. Okay, now till then, take care. Allah Hafiz. Thank you.